Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through assembling your acrylic laundry hamper. In the package, you'll find 3 sizes of acrylic tubes: low, medium, and high, 90-degree ball side outlet elbows, a detachable laundry cloth with laundry clips, grub screws, and Allen key for tightening screws. To make things even easier, we recommend dividing the components into 2 groups as shown in the video: Assembly A and Assembly B. Step 1. Take 2 medium-sized acrylic tubes. Attach a ball side outlet elbow to each end. Once the fittings are in place, tighten them using the grub screws. Step 2. Connect the 2 sides using low-size acrylic tubes. Before attaching, slide 2 laundry clips onto each low-size tube. Now insert the tubes into the ball side outlet elbows. Once everything is aligned, tighten the grub screws securely to all sides. Step 3. Repeat this process for the bottom frame. However, laundry clips are not needed for this step. Step 1. Place the bottom frame on the ground. Step 2. Insert the high-size acrylic tubes into the openings. Step 3. Attach the top frame, the one with the laundry clips, onto the high-size tubes. Step 4. Press down gently to ensure a snug fit. Then, tighten all grub screws securely. Step 5. Attach the detachable laundry cloth to the clips. And that's it! Your acrylic laundry hamper is now fully assembled. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully built your product.